Happy 5th year anniversary as a monetized channel in YouTube Bethel All Era.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop as we show.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ethel. And for today's video guys, I am going to thank you all for being there for me. I would like to thank each and every one of you around the world who truly love and care Ethel, for being there since day one on this show. And without you guys, I wouldn't be here. I am so thankful. I am so thankful po sa inyong lahat that you stayed, you support, and for not leaving me for 5 long years. 5 long years is not that easy. Even you are there for me. I would like to thank you for not giving up supporting Ethel. Thank you for the 5 long years of loving Ethel. And thank you YTP, thank you YouTube Partner Program. Dahil pinasal niyo po ako and it's been 5 years already. And I am so thankful for that. And 5 years is not that easy. You gain subs, you gain friends, you gain a lot of friends, not just local, but around the world. Thank you for the laughter, thank you for the crying moment, thank you for the chit-chat, thank you for listening, thank you for being there for me. In general po ako mag-thank you sa inyong lahat, baka may makalimutan po ako. And hindi po natin nakakalimutan kung ano po yung first team na tumulong sa atin, na Team Lalabs. Sila po yung big help po talaga sila in building, in making this channel, the Team Lalabs family. And also to Lizina Mercado and now Team Mercado, Engineer Law, sa lahat ng mga ka-teammates ko dati, wala na sila kasi. Only if you are, left, ilan na lang kaming naiwan. Big shoutout po sa Team Mercado. And walang iba o nag-iisa na body ko, nag-iisa na iwan, nila Kotserang Kusinera, which our admin in Team LC. Thank you at yung lakotserang kusinera. Hindi mo po ako iniwan. Nandyan ka pa rin. Thank you for the 5 long years. Being a friend. Being a sisikoy. Being a sister. Being an admin. And being a full packed. Thank you, admin, and also to Agnes Vlog. Big shout out to you, Agnes Vlog. Thank you also for being there for me. And to all my teammates from Team LC, thank you so much guys sa inyong lahat. Smiling Face Channel, RJ Vance Channel, hanggang wala na eh. Smiling Face Channel, RJ Vance Channel, Chef Sire, Kuya Danny Blaza Vlog, sila na lang po natira. The rest, hindi na po sila active. Basta, yun na lang po yung natitirang na active. At sa lahat po ng non-birth dati ng Team Lalabs. And also to the Team LC, sa lahat po ng teams na nagsusupport kay Ethel Aliera since I started this channel. I started building this channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Inyong pagmamahal, walang sawang suporta, pagmamahal sa channel na ito. Diba? Thank you so much everyone, and yes, 5 years is not that easy guys. To gain friends, to gain subs. I don't know, but then it is not easy to earn as well reps. It is not easy to make a content. But laban lang. Laban lang. And maraming salamat po sa inyo, to our OFWs, foreign friends, to may kababayan, sa aking family, relatives, sa mga colleagues ko, sa aking friends in badminton, friends in my running career, and also to my ex-office mates, mga friends ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Excuse me. Kasi 5 long years is not that easy. But then you guys keep me going. You guys inspired me in every content that I make. Kahit sabihin niyo po, wala naman yun, wala. It's not about that. But then you guys are my inspiration. You guys are the stars of my channel. You guys are there for me. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kasi hindi po ako iniwan. Through thick and thin of my life. Iyak man si Ethel Aliera whenever I cry. Whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm happy, you're there. Thank you. And sa lahat po ng nagmamahal kay Ethel Aliera, maraming salamat. And also, pasasalamatan ko rin po yung mga channel members ko na help me to like to have that goal, to pass the goal. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa aking cousins, Melinda Tasio, Aileen Ramoga, Kevin, at Min Locoteran Cosinera, Smiling Face Channel, Random TV by Katribo, Annalyn's Journey, Marites Miranda, G. Pancho, Bicolanang Layasera, Ann Palmoria, Japan Vlog. Maraming salamat mo and to all my super chatters. Maraming salamat po. Whether it's local and international. Thank you to our foreign friends na hindi ko po, I don't know you guys, but then you send love and support. To all my super chatters, to all my super stickers, super thanks. Thank you for sharing your blessings with me. And thank you for the 5 lumiers staying with me. And just recently lang po yan ako nag-open ng aking join button. Hindi po ako umabot ng 4 years. Hindi ko po siya, I didn't open that. It's because I have a goal. And thank you for reaching that goal from YouTube. And do not give up, guys. My tip for you is to not give up. Malay niyo one day, isang araw, kayo naman ang makakatikim ng reward ng YouTube. Just keep going, keep uploading, do not give up. Malay niyo madaanan kayo ng YouTube algorithm. Diba? Anyway, medyo binibigay na po yung aking nilabanan ko po. Kasi parang siguro nagsawa na rin ako to keep crying. Parang naubos na rin yung tears ko. Keep on crying and crying whenever I have a vlog, whenever I have a vlog. And amazing news always na lagi nilang umiiyak. So I limit that. I just wanna face you like this. And of course, thank you po sa Miranda Sisters po. Thank you po. And to all po sa hindi ko po nabanggit, tao lang po tayo. Sa mga nagmamahal sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. To all the people who send their prayers para sa akin, thank you guys. Basta in general lang po ako mag-thank you sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat-lahat. Salamat po. So, walang sawang supportan niyo po kay Ete Valera. Thank you, 5 years and yes, it's 5 years as a monetized channel in YouTube. 5 years na tayo, guys, as a monetized channel in YouTube. Thank you, everyone. So, masyado naman tayong Pero I keep fighting. I keep going. Kaya sabi nga sa aking channel theme song, keep going for life. Kasi wala namang perfecto, walang perfect na tao. Wala po. Going, keep fighting, and keep living. And as always, stay healthy. Because health is our wealth. So that will be all for today, guys. Masyado na pong mahaba yung aking pag-thank you sa inyo. Happy 5-year anniversary as a monetized channel. Yay! Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat, and sana wag po kayong magalit. Hindi ko man nabanggit yung mga pangalan na hindi ko po na, pero nandito po kayo sa puso ko. And yun lang po yung nasa utak ko ngayon, kasi parang when my brain is dictating now, you have to do this, you have to do this, ginagawa ko talaga agad. Kasi once it's gone, it's gone. Kaya tandaan niyo po talaga, do not get mad to everybody, each and everyone. Baho lang po tayo, nagkakamali, nalilimutan kung ano po yung mga taong nandyan lang sa bali-balikid. Pero huwag natin ikakagalit na hindi tayo maano, kasi in general na lang akong magsabi. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and once again, happy 5-year anniversary as a monetized channel of Ethel Aliera. Thank you so much, and that will be all for today. Stay safe po tayong lahat, and thank you po again. Thank you, million thanks sa inyo po lahat po. Naalala ko pala ang aking napaka napaka-giving na secretary ko from the US. Very hard luck survival, wala na po sila. Grabe yung nagmahal sa akin. Kahit sa email, they talk in email, send in email. Grabe yun, naalala ko lang. I don't know kung nasan na sila eh. Pero basta, thank you so much everyone, and thank you. Stay safe, stay peace, stay healthy. Health is wealth. I will see you on the next video, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips, health tips, for more exercises and all. That's only here on Ethel Aliera. Thank you for watching. Happy 5th year anniversary as a monetized channel, Ethel Aliera. Love you all, guys. God bless.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on our next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Aliera here is signing off.